All right, an exciting day today. We're starting in on the elevator of the aircraft, this piece here on both sides. It attaches to the horizontal stabilizer, it adjusts the pitch attitude of the aircraft, and most importantly, it's the final piece of the empennage or the tail section of the airplane. I'm really excited to get this one underway, so let's do it. All the stiffeners are complete. Felt like there was a lot of them. I think there are more than the rudder, but they're done. Now I just gotta figure out which ones are which, because multiple versions came on the same strip, and that should be easy to do by laying them out on the elevator itself, and then or the elevator skin, and then we'll start match drilling. So on the smaller stiffeners, we have 4, which makes sense because we have a top and bottom for both the left and right. I believe these would be the G, F, and E, G, F, E, and D stiffeners. These bigger ones we only have 2 of, and that's because the trim tab is going to be on the other side. And so we have a top and bottom for only the right. The left-hand side gets these shorter stiffeners where the actual elevator is cut short to make up for the trim tab. Well, that segment ended rather unceremoniously. At the end there, what you saw was me putting a hole in the skin where there shouldn't be a hole. That was about 5 days ago. Since then, I've done some thinking on how it could be fixed, some realization that it couldn't be fixed, and further confirmed with Vans that we should just buy a new skin. So now I'm on my way to Vans. I'm lucky enough to live close to where I can pick up large parts, to pick up a new elevator skin. Not a huge cost associated with it. It's not free, but it certainly makes decisions like this easier to make, to do it the right way. And it certainly makes mistakes a little easier to overcome. So we're gonna head to Vans, grab the part, and then hopefully this weekend I can get an elevator built. These mistakes are a little embarrassing to broadcast, but I think it's important to show all aspects of the building process. I think it's something that every builder goes through, and hopefully I learn as I go along. It seems like I'm taking a little more time deburring the skins than usual. You're onto something. I am. I recently was able to take a look at fellow builder's RV-12 vertical stabilizer. Did an excellent job, I thought, of deburring his skins and other parts. And it sort of switched my thinking. It's almost like I'm now thinking of it not so much as deburring, but really edge finishing and making sure that not only is it deburred, but it's really nice and smooth. I think it'll make paint go easier, if not maybe a little bit cheaper, and it's just a finer finished product. So thank you, and yeah, bear with me as I take a little more time to get these really nice and rounded. I'm really excited about this piece. It reminds me of when I was little and I used to build Legos. Each kit I got, I'd select 2 or 3 of my favorite pieces. And I get excited when I put them on the model. This is my favorite piece. I guess I was a little too excited to put that piece on. This is me drilling out the rivets to take it off. I forgot to put the nut plates on, and well, the piece would continue to prove to be difficult and a great example of why you don't want to get ahead of yourself. If you're following along wondering what the hell I'm doing, me too. This is a contraption that I'm hoping will help me bend this trailing edge uniformly and straight. I didn't come up with it somewhere, although it has all the jankiness of something I would normally come up with. The idea is, and I haven't tried this yet, to get a nice uniform bend across the trailing edge. Got a question or something you'd like to see? Leave a comment and let me know what it is. Enjoying the videos? Please leave me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. We're done with skins and stiffeners for the time being, and I've moved on to the structure. What you see here are the individual spars for the elevator. To those I'll be attaching stiffeners and ribs until we get the entire structure completed. That's it for this one. We'll continue on the elevators next time. Thank you for watching Ryan Flies.